Hi Paul here. I wanted to make this quick video because I didn't give newsletter on my website, on my blog, for different reasons. The first one is that I'm traveling, as some of you know, because I'm in contact with them, helping them, to make money online, and also because I'm very busy myself working with a Predator and a system, Pulse system that I offer on my blog. The thing is, sorry, you see I get a cough. This video is going to be a bit bumpy because I don't have my headset, and I believe it will be bumpy as the flight we had today. For the one who are following me, we just arrived in Bali, and we had a terrible flight. It was up and down, right and left. I didn't know if we're going to land, actually. Anyway, that's a good thing, when you work on the internet and you're an affiliate marketer. I don't like to talk about money and how much I make. I don't like that, but you can travel. We travel a lot with my wife and our daughter. We go all over the world, and at the moment we are in Asia. We are enjoying Asia, sorry. So working from Asia is not very easy. The connection is slow, and a lot of things going on, and you have to coordinate the office in France, and it's not very easy, but that's okay. It's part of the deal. So now, a lot of you bought the Pulse system. Congratulations. Some of you are already making money. Even more congratulations. Some don't, and I'm going to explain why in a minute. And I received very nice email from, let me see, from Marvin. He received everything from Dell and others. I received also email from the Middle East, people who bought and in the Middle East, and they start to make money. So the thing is, why it doesn't work for some of you? Well, guys, like any system on the internet, any software, anything you're going to do, it does require work. A push system button does not exist. What I give you is a blueprint and a software, and you have to use it. You have to be perseverant, you have to work, you have to dedicate your time, and don't stop in the middle and complaining, because it's never going to work. If you give up in the middle, it's not going to work. You need a certain amount of work. It's not a tremendous amount of work, but you have to do it. Like in any business, if you build a business, you have to put in thought on it. So, I don't stress enough to say that all the time. People complaining, oh, I don't make money, I bought the software and I follow your tuition, I don't make money, and blah, blah, and so on. Anybody can make money. My nephew is 14 years old, he's following my methods and he's making a lot of money. That much that the parents are happy now because he's not following the school as he should, right? He's 14 years old. He's not smarter than anyone. Nobody needs to be smart. You have a blueprint, you have to follow it, and you have to apply it. That's it. And sometimes you will have, even though, something that you will think, and you will adjust and you will tweak the system in such a way that you're going to make even more money, okay? I can't guarantee that you're going to make money, but I will be very surprised if you don't. You just have to do the things you have to do. So this is the video I wanted to give you. I wanted to tell you, first of all, congratulations to the one who bought. For the ones who already make money, for me it's working. Oh yes, one thing, I received an email from I think it was Marvin, and he was telling me like, okay, thank you so much, Paul, because I bought your system, and I buy the original software thanks to. Yes, it's true, the software I'm offering is the original one. Okay, George Brown copied the. Oh, my Skype is. It's okay. I haven't been online for a while, so everybody's calling me. Anyway, the Predator system is I'm not going to say a copy of the system I'm offering, but it's a kind of, okay? The difference is that George, on the long run, is going to offer more and more features and more things that you will not find in the other one, and that's maybe why he wants to sell it for around $4,000 mark. But at the end of the day, as I told you in many videos in previous posts, I do have two of them, okay, in my office, not with me here now, but they're in my office in Nice, in France, running, and they make money, okay? It's not the thing that is not working. It's that the product is a beta product, so it's not really finished. So for what I do with it, I make money. I do make money. Okay, but for the people wanting to start, this is where I offer this poll system. I created this poll system. It's cheaper and it will allow you to make money quite fast if you put the effort in it. I can't stress to repeat that. And also, it will go because it will cost you less. I mean, you start, you're gonna make money, and after you invest more money, and you can use other methods to make even more money. You know, it's a more step-by-step financial plan that just, you know, putting on the table when it was $800 or something, and now it's going to be $4,000. You know, just put less on the table and you just start. I received an email another day from someone telling me, yeah, but if I have to buy I want to do the Greg list. If I buy the plugins for the Greg list, it's going to cost me $400 because the software you can buy the basic one, which is I think $149, and after you have plugins. So if you want to do the Greg list, yes, it costs $400, but it costs $400. But George Brown cost the price was 700 something. I mean, they're buying 800. Okay, it's half the price, right? And you can upgrade your software. Okay, Judge Drone, you can't. You buy the software and you just wait that, you know, it's gonna be finished, but it's not for now. I believe it's gonna be maybe under a year, but not before, because they have some problems. But we keep, you know, you keep going, having, you know, updates and everything, so it's still running. So it's $400. Yes, the system, yeah, it is. And if you want, when you make more money, you buy more plugins. If you want to save money, you just buy the whole software with all the plugins. But I think it's around $1,000, which is still cheaper than $4,000, and you just do it. Another thing that I received, the last one I forgot. You know, I don't write when I do videos. It's just me. I'm just talking to you. If I was in front of you, because that's the way I'm a nice guy, and you know, I like to talk that way too. To people, I think it's more real because this is me, Paul. That's it. Two persons, they bought the software and they said I didn't receive my tuitions because they had 2 ebooks plus quick videos. You know, quick tuition. Okay, I didn't make sales page, you know, with Ferrari on it. I make it fast and quick for you to work ASAP. Okay, to start ASAP. After, all depend of your dedication, your time, and your motivation. So I've done it that way, okay? I don't want fancy sales pages, whatever. So they said to me, well, we didn't receive the tuitions and the videos. And I check on my account and the sales are not there. So there are 2 things. Or they buy through their own links to avoid to pay me a commission, or they buy through another link. I can't help you guys, okay? I'm saying in the previous videos, I create a poll system. The poll system are 2 ebooks, a blueprint, very easy how to make money, and another one. I'm not gonna say everything. And they are originally they were let me remember. I think it was 8 videos, and now you have 12. They are quite short, quite straight to the point, and with that, you on your way to start. Okay, but if you don't buy via my link, well, I'm not going to give you the tuitions, you know. You have to be, I'm fair with people, so I want people to be fair and don't tell me stories of fairy tales, because, you know, I do affiliate marketing and I can check if it has been done via my link, yes or no, right? So just play fair, that's it. If you want to buy it by yourself and avoid to pay me the commission because you know what you're doing, that's fine, just go for it. But if you want to have the tuitions and you want to learn via my ebooks and my videos, well, you have to follow the rules. That's the way it works. I'm sorry. So one thing also, you know, I'm French, so my English sometimes is very bad. But anyway, because I'm tired also, jet lag, and I'm very tired. But anyway, the thing is, the videos are in plain English. Okay, I paid someone to do the video because they have to be in plain English, properly say, properly tell. And the ebooks are in plain English too, so don't worry, you're not going to find a kind of French English accent or writing whatsoever. Okay, anyway, I wish you a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon, very soon. Just the last thing I forgot, you know, I was thinking. I asked to some of you, and I received already some, but I have to compile them and work on it. I think I will do that when I go back to Nice. I will have testimonial on the one on the future post from you guys. Okay, the one who already make money, I've already told you, please send me testimonial. Why? Because it's good for the other one to see that it works, and maybe will motivated them. But I would like to add that to the blog. So I'm waiting. I know you're busy making money, but please send me a testimonial. It doesn't take ages, just 2-3 lines, and your name or just your surname if you don't want that people knows what you are. I received another data set email from the Middle East saying that oh yeah, the guy from the Middle East, I don't remember your name, I'm sorry, okay, I'm very bad with names, but you told me that you heard because you bought Predator and now you have been reimbursed because you're not happy with it, whatever, it's your choice, but I still have it. And you heard in one of the webinar we have every week, because I'm there, that I made a lot of money. Yes, I did, but I talk about money on the webinar just because we are a group of selected people by George Brown to use the software. I don't know exactly how many we are. I bet 200, maybe it didn't say 50, maybe 200, but no more no less. And in the webinar I believe we have around 40-50. So yes, I've been taken as an example because I made a lot of money. Why I did that? Because I don't like to talk about money. Simply for one reason, is that I did apply a method would bring me $3,000 in 3 days, right? And I'm still doing it. So I just wanted, because there are a lot of new people coming to the internet, and they understand no much. It's not their fault, they have no knowledge. So I wanted to explain to them how to do it fast, because they weren't making money. I just wanted to help, that's it, because I didn't make any money with that. I just wanted to help. So I didn't give all the way I was doing it, but I give the big lines after. It's for them to find. And Anthony and George sent me an email and said, could you do a testimonial, Paul? And I said, yeah, I do it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so it's because it's private, so webinar. So yes, I did talk about money. Okay, so I'm done. Wish you a wonderful day and night, whatever you are in the world. I wish you a lot of your success in your internet business, and yours for your prosperity. It was Paul Lavia in Bali. Talk to you soon.